I don't know what day it is. I've been chasing a couple days, taking a break. Down in southeast Arizona, approaching sun sites. See a nice little line of storms coming. It's about 5:30. I've got about an hour and a half, 45 minutes till the sun goes down. The model today, we're showing Tucson really good around 5 or 6. There's no storms there, so I kept going. We'll see if this stuff pays off down here. It looks really good right now. Thought I'd do a vlog just in case we get a nice sunset and some good bolts. Tomorrow looks really good, and I'll for sure be vlogging that chase. So headed south, we got that, which is I think in Mexico near Douglas area, and building out this way. So I'm moving from New Mexico and Mexico and kind of pushing up this way. Really like how it looks. I wish it was about 6:30 right now so that we'd be really close to sunset time, but hopefully this stuff just moves real slow. We get some really good light in a nice area here shortly. The storms are looking good. Coming over the Chiricahuas, down by Douglas, across southern Arizona there, near the border. But I like this coming at us. I'm trying to decide where to go. Maybe this high point I know, or try to stay mobile. That one is a little bit of a 4x4 road. Well, this looks good. I've seen bolts in there. This thing is building, got a strong hail core on it, so I think we're in a good spot. Hopefully this turns good and keeps pushing to Willcox here. Oh, there's a bolt straight ahead. This storm is great. Look at this, it's so sunny, but you can see the rain there. I can see lots of bolts dropping in here. I love this wide angle time lapse I'm getting. This is just great. Oh my gosh, the bolts are dropping right in there. Well, this storm is absolutely fabulous. So much lightning dropping in there. Probably caught a couple. Trying to switch in there to see. Oh man, it's just going nuts. Look at this thing. Just stunning. This looks really strong, developing this way. God, I love this. There's a little bit of a rainbow in there even. Probably will, oh, more lightning, just ridiculous. Probably will get real good. Maybe the rainbow will if this gets closer, because if there's like a rainbow there, it should go like this. Oh, and maybe we'll see it soon. This thing is just constantly rumbling. What crazy anvil spreading over me. You know you got problems when you're 135. There's bolts in there. There's some happening here, so I keep aiming there, but then there's a rainbow and I saw a bolt, and then I also was like, oh, those mountains with that rain look really cool with the light, so I aim there, and I just keep going back and forth. Probably missing most of them because I can't make a decision. But this is great. Look, we got dust incoming right there. Either it's incoming or it's actually could be pushing that to the right, which would be better for me to not come right at me. But this is really, really nice. Look at this storm. I'm so glad I came out here today. I think there's my friend Todd. Look at this. This is this thing right here just went crazy, and of course there's a big bolt. There's just bolts everywhere. I need to get the 35 out here shortly. Todd is here. He's ready. We're sinking into these holes. I hope I didn't step on a freaking like badger or a snake or something. I keep thinking, but this is going nuts. Look at that. Oh, that is really, really strong. But there's lightning dropping like just constantly all in here. Yeah, well, Lord, there are, oh my God. The bolt, look at this dust getting kicked up. This is wild. We got big old CGs crashing in there. Big bolts, and oh, another one right there. Golly. And they're also trailing and land on the mountain here behind all these anti-crepuscular rays. Oh, here's dust on our left too. Wow. Probably should turn my truck around so I don't get blasted. Oh Lord! So this is the line of storms has kind of moved that way, but it's building to the north. Oh, look at that. That bolt just dropped right in there. So we're really excited about that because that's building more where we can kind of head this way and stay in front of this line instead of this is kind of going off in a tougher area. Look at this dust. Now we have lightning and we got a freaking rainbow that just emerged finally. Bolts dropping there at the end of the rainbow. Probably should put a camera on that. Oh, feel the rain. Oh my gosh. Oh, here comes the rain. I'm gonna have to move. It's stunning. Double rainbow. Time lapse is on it. Well, this is awesome. Of course, there's no lightning right now out of this thing, which would make it, you know, if one just decided to hit the side of that mountain, I would be okay with it. But this is awesome. I mean, bolt? Yeah, that's good. We'll go back to that road and north. I just got to shoot this. This is awesome. I'm shooting that thing right now, but I also got this isolated storm out there that I'm shooting with the other camera. Nice big bolt out of that would be great. Nice big bolt out of that would be very, very great. Please drop a bolt. Wow. Crazy storm, lots of lightning. Drop the core punch this craziness, which hopefully is not a mistake. But you got to get through to the other side if I want to make it home, and if I want to maybe keep chasing. Just the bolts are nuts in here. So wow, decent blowing dust in Tucson, south part of Tucson. Everyone slowed down, and lots of stuff blowing around. Trying to get to maybe a spot that I like. That's kind of my spot up in Saddlebrook. And I don't know if I will get there in time. It says 40 minutes, and but I don't want to go steal Mount Lemon or anything, so I'm hoping I can get there. We'll see. All right, well, many hours later from punching the core, I've waited for a few waves of storm to come over Tucson. I guess I should say waves of storms. And we finally got a storm over Catalina's here that's dropping lightning. There's one over Tucson. And then there's another storm kind of building, coming at me over the mountains right here. Just praying for a good landing point shot on the Catalinas. This is real pretty. There's been a couple good bolts right down in the city there, and maybe a couple up on the mountain. Maybe one will pop up while we're shooting. There's one. It's already 12:30 in the morning. Whoa, this thing over here is starting to get close. The thunder's getting loud. I can't even know. I don't know where to point the this camera, my phone, because it's going off there and the other way. But this one in front of me is coming at me and very active now. Really bummed. I had a long duration time lapse going, and I thought it looked like it was sliding to the right, so I panned my big wide one to the right, and then now, of course, it got active right in front of me where I was aimed. But it's okay. All right, back home. Wanted to do just a little look, see at what we got yesterday. Yesterday was a great day. There was just this time lapse. It's rare to get something like this where it's just a big white thunderstorm kind of coming at you. Every 2 seconds I even caught a bolt in there, which was amazing. But look at the dust coming. This is just going to be fabulous. And then a brief rainbow pops out, and then I have to move because it starts raining. But that's kind of cool, right there. Too bad it wasn't centered perfectly. Oh, dust spots. Oh man. This one's pretty exciting. I wish I was down the road, but I had no choice. But tons of good lightning here with this. Really like that shot. This rain burst is awesome. It's great. But we just absolutely killed it on lightning. Just unbelievable. This one has an upward streamer on the antenna. Wow. There's a 2-second interval, actually got a bolt. There's that shot. Some more stuff over town. I really like this pano. I'm gonna have to do an enhance on it because that's pretty cool, but I had to crop it a lot. And then the lightning trigger earlier on that storm just went crazy. I mean, there's just so much. Wild stuff. Half of these or more I'll never post. But that one just missed the right bolt, the close shot. Not a bad chase. Very, very, very excited from that. That's gonna be some good time lapses. Stay tuned.